Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 3rd of October 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, we have another lucky day with signals, and I am going to start today's discussion from Great Britain Pound JPY. I have supplied the bullish signal on Great Britain Pound JPY from 131905 and 132559 was the target price, and guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go up, and it has completely hit our targeted price 100% with no problem. So congratulations to our traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with good profits. At next, I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 122816 and 123233 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market even went beyond the barrier of the target price. The market has went so much high on Great Britain Pound USD, and we have tested the signal fully and even went let it keep the trade open after the signal also. And you can see that the result is on the screen. You can see that the result has given us a very positive, fruitful results. Okay, now let's talk about the AUD USD, another satisfied signal of the day. AUD USD with a bullish signal from 067115 and 067448 was the target price. Guys, you can see from the entry the market started to go up, and then slowly AUD USD has made the recovery, and finally it hit the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay guys, a bit tricky about the USD Canadian dollar because it has gone nowhere. However, my signal is bullish. 133287. I have done some sort of scalping. This is the entry. 1333 287 133652 is the target price. So right now it's again into the entry. It hasn't yet the drop today. So if you look at the daily chart, then if you look at the daily candle till now, then the daily candle is suggesting us that USD Canadian dollar can go further up. So overall there are bullish chances on this pair. So if it continues the bullish trend like this, then it can go up to 133652. At next, we are going to talk about USD CHF, and I'm going to take you toward the signals report. So USD CHF with a bearish expectation from 100,084 and 099,649 was the target price, and guys, we had a resistance there, and today the resistance has worked, and USD CHF is dropped right from the entry that I have supplied in the morning, and you can see the market has went down. So overall, congratulations to the traders who have taken the sell positions on this pair. We do not talk about the losing trades of the day, and let's talk about AUD JPY, which has just come into our entry zones, and you can see that AUD JPY is with a bullish expectation from my side from 72041 and 72477 is the target price. However, it's happened that the momentum is slow, but if it keeps the momentum, then the market can go up and reach up to 72477. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair, and then you can see the market. If you clearly see that the market is making the upward momentum, then only buy, otherwise do not buy. And whenever you see that the market is in the top red boundary and losing its direction, then you can sell the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signal report is based on a trick, and I teach this trick for $700. I take the trader on Skype for 3 days, and he prepares signals with me, and after that you will be able to generate your own signals. So guys, if you want to learn this trick, or you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.